Here we are at Norwalk-La Mirada's College and Career Expo. We're so excited to bring this annual event to our parents, to our community, to our students.
At this event, we have dozens of community colleges, universities, trade schools, and employers. We have financial aid workshops, college application workshops, scholarship, how to pursue and go after those scholarships.
It's a great opportunity for them to interact with college recruiters to get an understanding of what it takes to be admitted to a college, what the criteria is, and to ask questions about their university.
So my experience here was amazing. I got to talk to different people about the different colleges. I really think it's super important for the district to have events like this so the students could feel more engaged, so that the students could come and talk to new people, learn about colleges, and see what they want to do for their future.
I would love to see students from all ages and their families to know that there's so many schools that are out there and that it's at their fingertips. We're able to bring them, invite them to come to events like this to share about different programs that these schools have.
When I was younger, I never had an experience like this. I didn't really think about college until like junior year, but there's students getting the opportunity to get exposed to that now at a younger age. That's just amazing.
My experience today has been really amazing. I honestly feel really welcomed by all the schools, like the universities, especially the UCs. I really want to become a pediatrician. It's been my dream since I was little, and asking questions about that makes me feel more excited about getting into college.
Norwalk-La Mirada offers so many different experiences and opportunities. The opportunity to come see a bunch of universities in one spot, that's special. It brings a lot of excitement and talk in our community.